Welcome to this tutorial video on Greenplum Command Center. This is about how to set a rule to terminate any idle connections on your system after a predetermined amount of time and free up the resources of the connection. So here you can see in the Command Center window that there's a section that's called time before idle connection is killed. So you go into there, you pick which resource group you want to impact. You set it here to 10 seconds. And we can also set a message. So we're going to send a message saying timeout, exclamation, exclamation. So after 10 seconds of idle or no activity, then what we expect is that this shell here, where we see Patrick running in a shell, after 10 seconds, it should come and terminate that idle connection. So there you go, bang, GPWM : timeout. So you can customize that message in the Command Center and give a helpful message to the users to know that this session was terminated because it was an idle session. Now you see here what we did just now is we put in Patrick as an exempted rule. So what that means is that we don't want this rule to apply to Patrick. So now Patrick can sit there with that idle connection and will not be impacted as he keeps that connection open but is not yet ready to use it. So you can customize that. You can specify which resource groups to apply to and how long to wait before you terminate any idle connections and any exempted roles. Thank you very much.